Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri, and those of you who don't know me, I make videos related to makeup, beauty and skincare. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button because I upload almost every type of video in beauty genre. So if you don't want to miss out on that content, make sure you are subscribed. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, this video is going to be on the Sugar's newly launched palettes and lipstick. I have one palette from their range and one lipstick from the same. So this is their Sugar X Wonder Woman collection, and ever since this collection was launched, I was so intrigued to buy that because that was really I would say it was very enchanting. So मैंने वो palette ले लिया है. And let me show you how the palette looks like. Ta-da! So this is how the palette looks like. It looks amazing, super gorgeous, as you can see over here. Also, it is matching my top. So this is how this palette looks like. And let me also show you the lipstick, which I am going to talk about. This is the lipstick. So first of all, let me show you the outer packaging of the palette. Let's talk about the palette first. So this is how its outer packaging is. You can see a Wonder Woman is made over here, and yeah, this is my variant, that is 02 Primal President. It also comes in another shade, but I picked this one because I saw Nidhi from Trend Diaries talking about the same. So that's why I chose this particular color, because it would suit my skin color. The palette retails for $9.99, but I used her code, so that's why I got some discount. And if I have to show you the inner packaging, this is how it looks like. It is made up of cardboard. It looks so pretty, as if it's child's makeup, and everything else is written over here. So this is vegan. This does not have this is cruelty free and vegan product. You can see here it is written. And otherwise also, Sugar is a brand, well-known Indian brand who makes cosmetics vegan and cruelty free. If I talk about the ingredient, it does have talc and mica powder, so keep that in mind. And yeah, talc and mica is their first ingredient, and silica as well. So just a piece of information to you all. Now when I open this palette, this is the beauty of the palette. So you get this huge mirror, not huge I would say, but yes, this mirror is appreciable, and you can see whole range of product. So the net weight of this particular palette is 20 grams, and this is made in PRC, by the way. So Sugar is an Indian brand, but then this particular product is made in PRC, that is People's Republic of China. So this is made in China. So I would have appreciated if this was made in India. Nevertheless, because I got this palette, I wasn't aware that it is made in PRC, because none of the beauty influencers or YouTubers disclosed this fact, at least जिनको मैंने देखा था. So that's a bummer. Any which ways, I got this, so I got to try this. So let's do a try on and first impression. So in this palette, you have all the things, like let me show you. You have one highlighter, you have one blush, you have this contour powder and 4 eyeshadows. Also you have these tiny brushes, which are really tiny, I must say. And these are not coming out, pasted I think. So this is how this brush looks like, which is kind of fine for your inner corners. And the next brush is of course useless, but it is not coming out, so I'm not going to press it and pull it. You can see I am not wearing anything on my, I have done my base, kept it pretty simple, pretty nominal. So if you can tell here in the palette itself, you can see that there is a berry toned shade, and then you get 4 metallic type of shade and 1 satin shades, and these 2 shades are type of matte, and if you can see, this bronzer looks fine to me, as if this is going to give me that shadow which I want. And it is very different from the Sugar's Contour de Force palette, I think. Because in that palette I had the Vivid Summit one, I think so, that's what it is called. So it is different to that, because in that particular palette the bronzer was not this pigmented, because I think this is really pigmented. So I'm also going to show you a hand swatch and then we are going to try it on. So guys, this is how the things look like the face products look like. This is the highlighter, the contour. You can see the contour is really good, and the blush is also very good. Blush does have a little bit of shimmer particles, but very negligible, and the contour is matte, completely matte. So these are the swatches of the highlighter, bronzer and blush. Okay guys, and these are the eyeshadows. You can see the first two are the matte ones, and next we have this satin shade, and then these three are pressed glitter. And if I talk about the lipstick, this is how the swatch of the lipstick is. So all in all, I really like the palette. You can see. Okay guys, so first of all I am going to take the very light baby pink color which is there, and I'm just going to deposit that into my crease. So this is very it's not very visible on my eyelids, but then yeah, you can make it work. This is really good for someone who does not like a lot of palettes to carry forward, because this is really, I would say it is really travel friendly. This is going to be travel friendly, I feel so, because you have so many colors, and yeah, if you have so many colors in one palette, so then you don't have to, you know, carry too many palettes if you are going somewhere. So the pigmentation is really good, I would say. I have never used a Sugar palette, like eyeshadow palette. Feel is that this is quite pigmented. Okay, and now I'm very confused which shade to use. Okay, fine, I'm using this shade, which is kind of foiled and metallic-y. Oh my god, these metallic or foiled colors are so pretty. I mean, you don't need anything else if you are, you know, carrying this particular palette. So the other palette is not this, like it is very I would say बहुत हल्का सा पैलेट है ना वो, क्योंकि उसके अंदर बहुत सारे शिमर शेड्स नहीं है, बट इसमें जैसे आपको ऐसा शिमर मिलता है, really pigmented I would say. So I quite like this palette, but then you just get these shades only. तो अगर आपको वेराइटी पसंद है, वेराइटी के लिए तो नहीं, बट या इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट अ डे लुक आउट ऑफ इट, यू कैन डेफिनेटली क्रिएट, और if you want to create a night look out of it, of course you can create that. So I'm just going to complete my other eye, and then we will be moving towards the face makeup. This is how it looks like. You know, I regret the fact that I should have done my eye makeup first, but then I was shooting some other videos, so you know, I couldn't do that. So you know, it does have a lot of fallout, as you can see the shimmer shades. So you know, this area of my cheek is not looking good, but let's ignore that because we are testing the product. So let us now apply the blush. I am going to use this fluffy brush and tap off the excess, and then oh my god, it is very pigmented. It is really pigmented, guys. I wasn't expecting this much of pigment, because their last palette which I used, oh god, it's not doing good. So much of pigment. Yeah, so this blush will show up on someone who is even darker to me, क्योंकि ये काफी अच्छा सा blush है, what I can see. So yeah, so I really like the blush, by the way. Let's test the contour now. Really, contour powders, they don't have that much of, so you can see a lot of fallout. It's a really nice cool toned bronzer, I would say, but it does become patchy if you don't I don't know, like I even did this, but then I feel that it becomes patchy. So please, and it is very pigmented, by the way, if you can tell here. So please be very careful with the quantity you are taking. That's what I feel, because the quantity really matters. Otherwise you would look like your contour would look very muddy, I would say. So I'm just going to blend this. I don't know why this is not blending properly. Anyways, let's move forward. So now I'm going to use this highlighter. Now, you know, जो उनका पुराना palette था, I really didn't like the highlighter of that palette. Let's hope that this palette has it better. Okay. Definitely it does look good. Yeah, it does look good. But it's a golden highlighter, if you can tell. It is a golden highlighter. And it does have a lot of fallout. Yes, a lot of fallout is there. So I don't like that, because I don't like a lot of fallout. Anyways, I'm just going to do my inner corners. So I'm just applying this pink shade. So all the shadows are pigmented and they do have a fallout. So this is how it looks like. Lastly, I'm just going to apply the lipstick also. So this is Sugar. Talk about the lipstick as well, because I will apply it and later on I'm going to give my review on both the products. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is Sugar X Wonder Woman lipstick, liquid lipstick. They a lot of variant in this particular lipstick. I mean, I think they have launched 3 or 4 segments in this particular line, I would say. And yeah, again the logo and all looks very pretty. Sugar knows how to do the packaging and all. And this is in the shade 06. This is cruelty free. This is 06 Spunk Wise. Now this particular shade, this looks like, this is how it looks like from inside. Again, packaging 10 on 10, because I really like the frosted bottle, and then it has Sugar written on it. And again, you get the shade number as well, that is 06 Spunk Wise. Apply the lipstick, although I have done a test today itself, because it came out today and I tested itself. So you can see the wand, it is a type of tilted. And yeah, this is how the leaf applicator wand is there. So it's very easy to, line your lips. That's what I was telling you, that the lip color is exactly opposite to my eyes. Okay, now this is how my face looks like. So let's just talk about the palette first. So in the palette, the shades are good, everything is good, but what I feel is that the eyeshadows, they are pigmented, but a lot of fallout is there. So I would suggest you to do your eye makeup first and then go for anything else. So eyeshadows are pigmented, no doubt. I have never used Sugar eyeshadows until now, so I really like the eyeshadow. And out of 3, the face palettes, like the face segregation, I loved the blush a lot, although I have applied a little too much, but then the blush is really pigmented. So if you are getting this one, you won't be dissatisfied, because the blush is really good. And the only thing is, I don't know, the contour powder, it appeared a little bit chalky, because I had a tough time to blend this out. And the highlighter is also fine, nothing extraordinary. Like, I have used highlighter like these, but it is definitely better than the K Beauty highlighters. I don't like K Beauty highlighters because they are very dry. This is not very dry. This is better than their Contour de Force palettes highlighter, Subtle Summit one. Subtle Summit, sorry, I was saying Vivid Summit. No, I think I have Subtle Summit with me. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Now the contour is a little bit like, it is on the cooler side, but it is a mixture of cool and warm tone, so I really love the color otherwise, and it will show on you if you are even darker than me. I am NC42, by the way, in MAC Cosmetics. So all in all, I would say I really love the palette, because I think in 999 you are getting a really good palette, and I won't mind, having this in my collection, because it is good for traveling purposes, because it has a lot of things in it. So definitely thumbs up from my side. And price also, I think 999 is quite fine, reasonable, and you do get a lot of coupon codes. Some YouTubers, I will link Nidhi's coupon code below. If you want to, you can use that coupon code if it is still available. That's what my take on the palette is. Now coming to the lipstick. Now sugar lipsticks are something which I always love. Sugar lipsticks, I really love their metal matte range. Even both the lipsticks are really good. I do not like their smudge me not range. Now when they launched this range, I was excited because, you know, I was looking forward to this one because Sugar as a brand, you know, we all love Sugar, and I think this retails for $6.99, and this was the expensive, like this is the most expensive lipstick in this particular whole entire range I am talking about. So I think $6.99 was the highest, so that's why I got this one. They also have one more in liquid lipstick form only. I did not get that. Now if you look at the shade, it is really pretty. I do not own any shade like this right now because it does have brown and it does have a little bit of orange, so it looks really good on Indian skin tone. So right now my face is looking pathetic because, you know, this lip shade is darker, this is darker, right, for this look. So look is not coming together, but any which ways we are testing this out now. So it does have they do have a lot of shade in this one, and everything you get it here. It is 3.5 ml of product, which is a little bit lesser than other lipsticks. So that is what about it. Now coming to the longevity, this is really long lasting and it does take time to settle down. Okay, it will take 20 to 25 minutes to settle down. Like right now also, if I do like this, my lips are sticking together, but this is sticking together now. After half an hour it will be fine, and even this is going to transfer a little bit, but when it is settled completely, it won't transfer. Now it is drying on lips. It does have that formula, you know, you see, that's what I'm talking about, which generally I do not like. Personally speaking, I didn't like the lipstick that much because I have used Sugar's other lipsticks, so I know what type of lipstick they make. But yeah, I'm really not a very big fan of this lipstick, so you can give this lipstick a pass. Definitely invest in the palette. The palette is really good. And one more thing which is really good about both the products is that they are fragrance free. They don't contain any fragrance, which is such a good thing, guys. Really good thing. They don't have any fragrance. And yeah, that's about it. I think that is about it. That's what I feel about these palettes and this lipstick. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you have already purchased these, let me know how you are liking it. And if you are planning to purchase, you can go ahead and purchase the face palette because I really like it, face and eye palette. You can give these lipsticks a pass. Yeah, that is about it. Let me know if you guys want me to try any other product, any other lip product or anything else. Let me know in the comment section. I would be more than happy to make. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and I love you guys a lot. Bye.